Welcome my friends, it's Nami. Today I'm drawing colorful ice creams. Let's draw and paint together.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows the cradle.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you.
When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, but mother will catch you, cradle and all.
Do you like ice cream? Ice cream is very good.
Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. Down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.
How delicious it looks! Thank you for watching.